Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey. Back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. And we don't even have the cover open yet. And you get to see just how fabulous this tub is. Some of you already know what it is, but let's take a peek here at the nameplate. Here we go. It's a hot spring spa manufactured by Watkins. Most would say the #1 brand in America. It's just a fantastic spa. It's got a gorgeous black cover on it, gorgeous cabinet, new features like new cover and lifter. Watch, we're just gonna tilt this over real quick. Look at that, really easy, and just push back on the hot tub. Look at that, cover's open. What do we have here? Look at this beautiful white tub. You start to see some LED lights. It's got multiple colors. You can adjust how bright or not bright, or the density of the lights very easily. Check it out. It's 90 by 90 inches, a big 5-seater. Many manufacturers will make a 6 or 7-seater out of 90 inches. Hot Springs with the Envoy made a big, roomy 5-seater hot tub, and that's what you got here. You've got a phenomenal lounger here with foot massage jets under the calves, under the knees, double patented motor massage, the famous hot spring motor massage right there. 4 more jets above that. These are orbital jets right here, spinning jets. Hip jets, double layer of hip jets down in here. 2 more jets, 2 more, another 3-pack. 2, 4, 6, 9, 4, 13, 15 jets in that seat. Check out the captain's chair. How about that? Look at the wrist massage jets. Look at the armrest. Look at the way it contours on the bottom to get your butt in there so you're not bouncing around and floating around. Same thing with the lounger, those lock-ins. It's a unique spa too because it has technically kind of like 2 footwells, right? It's got the main big footwell here for the 3 sets of legs that are coming here, and then another private little raised footwell area for that captain's chair. So really a really great design all the way around in the Envoy, one of Hot Springs' most popular. Again, there's a view of some of those foot jets. Look at this. Look at these 2 jets. Do you see this here, folks? Listen carefully. Exactly. You hear nothing. This spa is filtering right now. It's heating and filtering as we speak. Has a 24-hour-a-day circulation pump, draws 1/3 of an amp. It is economical. With it being full foamed insulated, this is, if not, one of the most, if not the most economical spa in America with the way they design the foaming and the circulation and the heating mechanism. So a great thing. Also, no suction returns, right? So Hot Springs is patented. All of the filtration goes through the filters. So any water that returns to the pumps goes through the filters. Unique feature to Hot Spring. So you get to see how quiet it is. Now let's pump it up a little bit. You also have some water features here. We're going to touch this pad. I'm going to touch jets. We got 1 pump on low. There's 1 pump on high. And there's 2 pumps on high. So there we go. Check out the gorgeous water features, guys. There's 3 water features there. Yes, you can turn them off. Yes, you can turn them down. So you can have them off, have them on a little bit, or have them on full blast. It's just a really nice feature when you're sitting in the hot tub. LED lights everywhere, right? The controls lit. All of these knobs are lit that way. Main LED light in the hot tub. Really cool feature. Diverter valves, guys. So if you want to get slammed in a particular seat, you could do that heavier. So if it's in this position, all the jets in the hot tub are on. But again, you could direct more pressure to other areas if you really want to get slammed by just turning this diverter valve. So you've got 12, 9, 6, and 3 o'clock, or 3, 6, 12, right? You've got 4 different modes for each diverter valve controlling each pump. 2 huge pumps, plus the circulation pump, powering 42 fantastic jets. I'd rather have 42 jets from a Hot Springs than 120 jets from some other cheap manufacturer you see listed. It is engineered and every jet is designed to perform to its best, right? So that's what's really important. What have I done to just give some updates to the spa besides the new $550 new spa cover, a new $200 lifter, new filters, new filter lids. I've added a brand new hot spring heater assembly. So you've got a brand new heater assembly there, a brand new huge pump over here to the right, that's brand new, and a new heater relay circuit board also done. So some of the parts that take a lot of the stress, they've been replaced. So it's a beautiful thing, beautiful tub all the way around, and it could be in your backyard with a warranty, with local delivery, with chemicals, indoctrination in your backyard. This spa landed is just $5,100. Puts you in a hot spring spa that right now is selling for over $18,000. This is their high end. This is a beautiful, beautiful, expensive tub. It's just fantastic. The topside control panel, you can pick it up and take it with you. All right, it's got a little charging dock here. It's a great thing if you want to remove it when you're away. You don't want certain people using the tub, you have that option. The power light's a neat feature. So if you're 50 feet away in your kitchen, you know in the wintertime that this spa is not only powered up, right, it's also functioning, right, because we've got a green and a blue light here. So check out the cabinet once again. You see the white shell. Just a beautiful package. If you like the video, please click like. And please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel as I add many more exciting spas, and I'm adding how-to videos. So again, give us a call. This spa can be in your backyard. Thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave.